Straps ready?
Yeah, I got the front.
Watch that tail end, he's shifting.
Copy.
Easing it back. Set.
Latch is clean. We're good.
All right, let's get the next one.
It's free. Hooks on. Easy now. Watch the tail. Slide him out.
Rope's ready.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Hold him steady.
Board coming in.
Middle's secure.
All right, let's roll.
Check the valve. We're flushing the pit first.
On it. Hose is clear.
Keep them calm. No sudden moves.
Too slow.
In this facility, saltwater crocodiles, some weighing more than 300 kilos, are moved into the processing hall. Even sedated, they can break wrists with a single lash of the tail.
Eyes coming down.
Workers wearing full protective gear guide each animal.
Abre un poco más el flanco que se arruga aquí.
¿Así?
Eso ahí. Dale con el agua.
Mira cómo escurre, cada vez sale más limpio.
Sí, todavía queda carne pegada. Vamos a raspar otra vez.
Va.
Put the edges, they'll dry rough otherwise. Got
it.
Coming. Belly side next. Keep the edge clean.
Thickness is steady at 3-2.
Good. Run it all the way through.
Edge to edge.
We rinse the scales to open them up, then scrape the membrane until the pattern shows. After that, it's all about getting the water out and letting them hang. Every skin's got its own story in there.
In this plant, crocodile skins arrive rigid and raw. Before they can become supple leather, each one is steeped in a cocktail of salts and tannins.
Watch the tension, let it down slow.
The vats are kept at just over 50 degrees Celsius, a temperature that unlocks the fibers without...
Layered with their distinctive armor, the crocodile skins are eased into the tanning drum. Inside, warm water, enzymes, and tanning agents swirl around the heavy hides. As the vessel turns, wooden paddles knead the skins, lifting and plunging them over and over.
Inside this tannery, massive drums rotate day and night. Tumbling reptile hides through a chemical bath that softens and preserves them. Each drum weighs several tons, driven by a chain and gear the size of a truck wheel. Technicians monitor temperature, speed, and pH.
Each hide carries its story in the pattern of its scales, a map of time spent in water and sun. These rows, 200 strong, dry under constant breath from the fans. Air moves slowly here. Patience is part of the craft. In a few weeks,
Heat and air carve away the moisture here, drawing the hides tight, locking the scales in place. Every fan, every cycle of air is measured. Too much and the leather cracks, too little and it sours. What you're seeing is the balance, crocodile skin turning into a material that will last decades.
See how the belly row stays even all the way down? Edges are clean.
Yeah, there's some lift in the flank though. I'll mark it for repair.
Flex feels good, no cracking.
Thickness, 1.2 millimeters, right on spec.
Color's consistent too. Let's pull one more for the batch.
Noted. I'll log.
Every hide is different. One slip and the whole sheet is scrapped, so the computer guides the line, but the hands keep it true. Laser, steel, and a steady grip, that's what cuts through crocodile.
Looks clean.
When it leaves this table, it's ready to become something that...
In this workshop, finished crocodile skins are given their final polish. Each scale is worked by hand until the surface reflects like still water.
Needs a bit more along the edge.
Yeah, I'm getting that high gloss
that pattern, clean all the way through.
A touch of conditioning balm deepens the color.
Every hide is different. To craft a flawless piece, each scale is examined and cut by hand. The edges are pared down millimeter by millimeter, then burnished until they sing in the light. It's precise work. One slip and the whole panel is lost. But this is where...
On this floor, engineering meets tradition. Sheets of crocodile hide arrive supple but unruly. Robotic arms guide them through heat and pressure, evening every scale to a measured fraction. Laser light traces the patterns, and steel dies punch perfect shapes in a single stroke.
Need that edge to pop, so a bit more wax.
Got it. This one's looking smooth already.
Check the scale pattern on this batch. Beautiful.
All right, I'll set mine next to yours.
Here, in the quiet corner of the factory, raw hides turn into something extraordinary. Each crocodile panel is sorted, inspected, and given a touch that only skilled hands can deliver. The scales catch the light, the pattern tells its own story, and every piece finds its place in the...
Polished and finished, the crocodile leather becomes a mosaic of natural armor. Each scale carries its own topography. Raised rims, sunken centers, and pores no wider than a hair. Light skims the surface, catching copper and espresso tones, revealing valleys and ridges.
Watch the edge. This lot's heading to Milan.
Copy that. On my way.